Okay. This is our science project, and we're making the volcano Olympus Mons.
Where is that volcano?
The volcano is on Mars, and it's the biggest. Sorry. It's my gesturing. It's the biggest volcano in our whole solar system, which is pretty big. So we are going to add warm water and fill it up to about half. Then it's going to put 2 or 3 drops. 2 or 3.
Of what?
Of pink food coloring, because that's what we think our should be like, because Mars is such a red planet. And then we're going to add 2 drops of soap, 2 teaspoons of this, and the secret formula.
What is this?
Of baking soda.
Yeah.
And the secret formula is vinegar.
Okay, get started.
Alright. Hold on, I'll do this. It's halfway. So careful, it doesn't take much because they're pretty full. Very good. Alright, 2 drops of this.
Remember not to squeeze. Yeah.
Those secret powder is peaches. Secret. Let me do it.
Okay, wait.
And the secret formula. Stand back. It's going to explode.
Then stand over there.
Oh dear.
Pour it in. Pour.
Pour lava.
Pour some more in.